Hi, I'm Leah Easton, Director of Client Engagement at Corsis, and I'm here today with Thomas Shelford, President of Corsis, to discuss technology due diligence. As President of Corsis, Tom leads our business development and investor due diligence practice area. Since 2006, Tom has provided IT due diligence expertise in support of billions of dollars investment transactions on behalf of the world's leading private equity and venture capital firms. He's also the co-author of Real Web Project Management Case Studies and Best Practices from the Trenches. Wow, Tom, that's quite a resume. Thank you for joining us here today.
Thanks, Leah. I've been very fortunate to have worked on a number of really interesting deals, and I'm excited to share more information about what technology due diligence is.
Great, let's jump right in. Tom, how would you describe technology due diligence in simple terms?
So technology due diligence is an information gathering process that's done on behalf of investors or other project sponsors to try to understand the technology risks as well as the growth opportunities before they make an investment.
Great, and now for our more technical audience, how would you describe technology due diligence and how the Corsis software supports it?
So Corsis takes a pretty unique approach to technology due diligence. We've actually developed business intelligence software that measures and scores the maturity of technology operations. And that's based on a proprietary library of operational best practices that we've developed here. We use that as a benchmark to actually measure the level of risk as well as identify opportunities for growth.
Thanks, Tom. That makes a lot of sense. What type of clients would you say Corsis usually has?
So Corsis is usually engaged by professional investors who are looking to make capital investments in technology companies, or we're also engaged directly by companies to help improve the maturity of their technology operations or help them improve their compliance and security programs.
And how do you decide the structure of our engagement?
So during the sales process, we try to get an understanding of where the company is at in its life cycle and also understand the areas of potential risk for the project sponsor. And based on that, we map those risks to our different modules in our content library of best practices.
Great, really exciting. What are some typical questions that clients want us to focus on when conducting a technology assessment?
So most investors are interested in three areas of risk. Number one, will the software scale and be extensible and maintainable in the future? Number two, is the infrastructure scalable and performant and secure? And number three, can the team and their workflows and processes actually execute on the growth strategy and the product roadmap? So those are the three main areas that we're often asked to address.
And what are some of the activities that are important, in your opinion, for Corsis to complete a successful technology assessment?
So there are a couple of key activities that we pursue. Number one is a review of data room materials and any third-party audits that have been conducted. We also do deep dive technical sessions with various people within the technology team at the target company. And then we also are evaluating the company based on our own anecdotal experience and our library of best practices. So those are the main areas that we focus on in terms of our process.
Thank you, Tom, and thank you to everybody else who joined today.
Thanks, everybody. Looking forward to working with everyone on some really exciting deals in the future.